Hello collectors! Today we're going to talk about two older Mini GT 1/64th diecast products, the number 461 and the number 507 Porsche 911 Targa 4S Heritage Design Edition. Both of these models are very popular among collectors. Through today's content, let's explore their charm together. We'll start by discussing their collectible value unlike previous reviews. The real 911 Targa 4S is the first model under Porsche's heritage design strategy, limited to 992 units globally. It aims to reinterpret design features from classic 911 models of the 1950s to 1980s through limited editions. Although the Mini GT model itself isn't limited, the real car, as a symbol of automotive culture, has strong collectible value. Mini GT has perfectly replicated the real car's body proportions and curves in 1/64th scale. From the low-slung front end to the full fenders and the central rear, all aspects are highly restored with no visible distortion. It accurately captures the essence of the real car. The cherry metallic paint on the number 461, heavily propped by Porsche, perfectly embodies a retro charm. Mini GT's paint finish here gets full marks, no orange peel, pooling, or graininess. It's uniform, full-bodied, and has excellent reflectivity, perfectly restoring the exquisite and luxurious texture of the original car. The GT Silver metallic paint on the number 507 is equally outstanding. While not as eye-catching as the cherry metallic, it's just as smooth and uniform, presenting a semi-matte texture. Both colors feature the heritage design classic livery with unique white spear decals on the side, inspired by early Porsche race cars. The numbers on the rear car can be customized. The build quality of both models also complements their paint finish. The mold precision is very high with accurate body lines. The alloy chassis give them a very solid feel. Features like the front air intakes, engine lid grille, taillights and rear skirt are separate components, and the rear window has good clarity. The wheels with rubber tires roll smoothly, and are added brake disc components which are not equipped on a Mini GT. Compared to other Mini GT models, the details on these two Targa models have stepped up a notch. Most notably, the rear car's two-tone leather interior is replicated. Red, wine and beige for number 461, and black and beige for number 507, creating a high-end retro atmosphere. Additionally, there are water decals on the display screen area, which is quite rare for Mini GT. Unlike the matte silver roll bar on the regular Targa, the heritage design's glossier silver roll bar is also replicated, and even the tiny Targa logo is visible. The model badges on the car body are all in the heritage design's unique gold, appearing more distinguished than the black or silver of regular Targas. Limited by overall cost, the Porsche Heritage badge on the rear car's engine cover grille could not be replicated. These two models have been on the market for some time. While prices in the secondary market have increased slightly since their initial release, they remain generally stable. If you haven't bought them yet, it's not too late. If you're a Porsche enthusiast, these two compact and exquisite Targa models from Mini GT are a no-brainer for your collection. Both their unique vehicle type and the model's on-build quality make them stand out from other Mini GT Porsche lineup. That's all for this sharing. Until our next encounter.